Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, May 8th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for information about our firm's outplacement support services. As the leading boutique provider of outplacement services in the United States, Employment Boost is uniquely positioned to help individuals land on their feet and find a new job quickly and effectively after a corporate layoff. Now on to today's headlines. We've definitely got some news to catch up on over the past week here, but the first big headline being that the numbers for April showed that the U.S. job market, despite the layoffs, remains hot with 253,000 jobs added last month, wages increasing, and unemployment falling to 3.4%, which matches the lowest reading since 1969. So despite the banking turmoil and crazy inflation and interest rates, the job market looks great. And last month was the best job gains that we've seen since January. And now on to some of those layoff headlines. E-commerce giant Shopify unveiled plans last week to cut 1/5 of its workforce, so more than 2,300 workers amid economic uncertainty, and also as an adjustment to the dawn of the AI era. In addition to the layoffs, of which this is the second round this year, the company also plans to sell its logistics arm to tech company Flexport. And in Wall Street news, the banking industry is definitely struggling, and there have been layoffs from Goldman Sachs and Citigroup recently, and Morgan Stanley now is the latest there to announce mass layoffs, with a reduction in force affecting 3,000 roles in the second quarter. And this is the second round of layoffs from Morgan Stanley in the past 6 months. And finally, today in tech news, San Francisco software company Unity will be conducting their third and largest layoffs in a year, with 600 employees this time getting laid off amid recession fears.